Hi there, today I want to show you around again my neighborhood. So I live in Dhobighat, and Dhobighat actually means street of the washers, and it actually comes all from this. Sorry for my hand, I kind of lost my, not lost, I broke it. I broke my GoPro stick for a better word, and then so I have to do everything by hand. So these are the Dhunga Dharas from Dhobighat, and this is where people wash their clothes, and it's really interesting. Oh, almost got driven over by these two. It's where people wash their clothes, and so it used to be that everyone came here to give their clothes to the washers, and obviously because there are more washing machines now, people don't do this anymore, and the whole area was just washers and people washing their clothes. Now I couldn't find a lot about the Dhunga Dharas or the Dhunga Dharas of Dhobighat, just because there's just not a lot of information available for me in English, I guess. I did have an article on a Nepali website that I kind of like Google translated, and it had something about these wash basins being built by you know, the rulers, and oh, another chicken, and it having some kind of, I don't know, religious meaning as well as giving water to the neighborhood, and allowing people to have fresh water that was good and that was usable, and now they're washing their clothes in there. There's not a lot of activities today because we are actually going into an important oh, there they are again. We're actually going into an important feast called Tihar. You might know Tihar better under the name of Diwali. So everything is going to be lit by lights. You can see it there as well, like the house is completely dressed in beautiful lights. We ourselves, we're going up to a place called Shivapuri to celebrate Tihar there. But you know, most people stay in the valley, and when we come back from Shivapuri on Sunday, I really hope to make a video of all the lights in Patan, because apparently it's absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to go down, because there is an upper, this is the upper Dhunga Dhara, and there's a lower one, and I'm going to the lower one now. In my last video I said that there's so many flowers and so many greenery here. Look at this, how beautiful. Like, I absolutely love this country. Like, there's so many rough edges. Like, you know, this whole neighborhood feels a bit rough, right? But the people are so incredibly nice. And you have like those beautiful views of the rest of the valley. Well, not even the rest of the valley, it's more like Kirtipo down there. There was like this little kid, and he was really cute, and I was waving at him, but he was too shy to wave back. I've honestly, this is like the second time I'm walking in this area, but it's just, I absolutely love it. Look at those two. Look a bit scruffy, don't they? Okay, I'm gonna go down this area. It's so beautiful down here. I know my mom is already gonna be like, I'm not going there, but sorry mom. It's a revenge for you saying I sound out of breath. And I do sound out of breath because it's like 25 degrees, we're a mile high, and there's a lot of up and down, to be fair. Look, so this is something that they often do here, and I love this. So they take this absolutely amazing, mighty, beautiful tree, and they make it into like a little shrine. Look, they've got a picture there, And then they've got a little bell there, and then they put the most absolutely gorgeous flower. So because they put flowers over there, it turns a bit yellow and orange and red. And because they've been doing this for years and years, some of the temples are quite, you know, their entrances are completely dusted in this beautiful, you know, warm red and warm orange. There's more dharas there. So we're here literally like in the back of our building. Can't see it. I think we're a bit too far, but yeah, this is one of the things that I find absolutely amazing in Kathmandu. This is pani puri. I love pani puri. They're my favorites. They're like little balls filled with liquid. So this is another one. See? So this is just people doing the laundry. Yeah, so one of the things that I love most about this city is just that you can walk 400 meters or a kilometer and you're just somewhere completely different. Like this is like a 3-minute walk from where I live, and this is like a completely different environment. Then again, I can walk to Old Patan, which is like almost like a medieval city, and I love it. I absolutely love it, Old Patan. It's a liquor shop. They actually have quite some really nice alcohol. I do like kukri rum. I know last time, look at how beautiful these bricks are. I know last time I was a bit about kukri rum, but they're actually really nice. Yeah, this is actually a really nice street. I've never been here. This is really nice. Got a tailor's there, got a shop there, got doggos, most importantly. Who can forget the doggos? I'm gonna turn back because I basically already showed you the Dhunga Dharas. Yeah, so pani puri, because there we can see pani puri again. Pani puri are, as someone I know, or I knew in Dubai, describes it as liquid balls. And that's because they're like almost like a crisp-like outer shell, and it's filled with this absolutely amazing liquid made from lentils, I think. Look at the chickens. The girl just picked up a chicken. They're made from lentils, like a soup kind of thing, maybe like a gazpacho. I don't know. There's another Dhunga Dhara. And sometimes you put potato in there, or mango chutney we had in Dubai. That's another Dhunga. Mango chutney we had in Dubai. And you put it in your mouth, like completely in your mouth. And then it burst. Sorry, I'm out of breath again, but this is like a hill. And although Josh and I have been walking a lot, we're still not in like good physical fitness. But this is like the view behind me. We have a view of those beautiful, beautiful mountains from our roof terrace. There's the woofer again. Where's this subwoofer? There's a barbecue shop there. Yeah, so for Tihar, they also need to make puja. And puja is like an offering. Ooh. And that's why you see all the flowers here. Like, you can always buy flowers, but there's obviously like a lot more flowers for sale at the moment. Whew. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna go home because I don't have too much time to edit this, because we're imminently leaving for, sorry I'm looking down, but there's like a lot of debris. We're imminently leaving for Shivapuri and I want to get this out before. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I hope you liked it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye, see you next time.